Hello and welcome to more Lego Minifigs. This is series 23. I don't have a lot of them. I only have these four. And I need to get more so I can try and get the whole set. But let's see what we got. We don't have Mr. Scissors. All right, I am back, and so is Mr. Scissors. What do we have here? We have a turkey, just in time for the upcoming Thanksgiving. Oh. And let's go ahead and put Mr. Gobbles here together. Did I put him on the right way? Nope. I think I put him on the wrong way there. No, wait, yes. I'm going to say that's the back. And that's the front. It's hard to tell. Let's make him a happy turkey. We ate the pumpkin. Alright, and get my cat. Well, I have lots of cats. You've seen them on lots of my videos. And the cat hairs are everywhere. Oh, look, extra piece, trash. And there we have Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey can plop right there. All right. Oh, I got a mess going on there. Number 2. All right. Looks like we got ourselves a wolf. And he appears to be trying to huff and puff and blow the house down. Let's put his bag. I want your bag. There it goes. Bag and the big bad wolf. And as you can see in his face, he's trying to blow down the place. There's the bag. So there we go. Big bad wolf and the turkey. Mr. Wolf, don't eat Mr. Turkey, and all will be well. Uh-oh. We got 2 big bad wolves. Lego made a set a long time ago for classic monsters that you could shoot stop motion with, because they had Lego Studio. They made a whole studio set for Lego for animation. It's actually really neat. I should show that off sometime. Anyway, they did actually do, and I got the werewolf figure. And there we go, another big bad wolf. I thought I'd make them kind of. And number 3, who do we have for number 3? Reindeer? Looks like we got us a reindeer. Oh, little heart gingerbreads. Yeah, very hard to see. little heart gingerbread like cookies to go in the box here. Put those in there. We hear that frog ticking away over there. We got a little dancing frog on the windowsill. And boy, is he clacking today. All right, we got a reindeer with a present full of gingerbread heart cookies. There we go. All right. So we got a turkey. We only got 2 spare parts this time. So we got a Mr. Turkey, 2 big bad wolves, and a reindeer. Oh, not bad. I do like the big bad wolf. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, hit that like button. Hit the bell button to get notified when I go live. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Be seeing you.